Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for maintaining the health of bones and the immune system. It plays several critical roles in the body, including aiding in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone formation and maintenance. Sources of vitamin D. Sunlight. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight. When skin is exposed to ultraviolet rays from the sun, it synthesizes vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. Food. Dietary sources include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, fish liver oils, egg yolks, beef liver, fortified foods, milk, orange juice, cereals. Supplements. Vitamin D2, ergocalciferol, and vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, are available in supplement form. Biological functions. Bone health, crucial for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Muscle function, necessary for muscle contraction. Nerve transmission, facilitates communication between the brain and body. Blood clotting, essential for blood clotting processes. Deficiency and health implications. Osteoporosis, increased risk of fractures due to decreased bone density. Rickets, in children, leading to bone deformities. Osteomalacia, in adults, causing bone pain and muscle weakness. Toxicity and overdose. Symptoms: nausea, vomiting, weakness, and serious complications such as kidney damage due to hypercalcemia. High levels of calcium in the blood. Factors affecting vitamin D levels. Geographic location. Skin pigmentation. Age. Sunscreen use. Body weight. Iron. Iron is vital for the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood, as well as for energy production and immune function. Sources of iron. Food. Red meat, beef, lamb, poultry, chicken, turkey, seafood, shrimp, tuna, beans and lentils. Spinach. Quinoa. Deficiency and health implications. Anemia. Decreased production of red blood cells, leading to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Impaired cognitive function. Iron deficiency can affect cognitive development in children and cognitive function in adults. Compromised immune function increases susceptibility to infections and reduces the body's ability to fight them off. Toxicity and overdose. Iron overload can cause organ damage, particularly to the liver, heart, and pancreas. Factors affecting iron levels. Dietary factors. Low intake of iron-rich foods or consumption of foods that inhibit iron absorption, such as tea or coffee. Absorption enhancers. Consuming iron with vitamin C can enhance absorption. Blood loss, menstruation, gastrointestinal bleeding, or chronic diseases can lead to iron loss. Genetic factors. Certain genetic disorders can affect iron metabolism and absorption. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function, the production of DNA, and the formation of red blood cells. Sources of vitamin B12. Food. Dairy products. Eggs. Fish. Fortified cereals. Deficiency and health implications. Anemia. Megaloblastic anemia characterized by fatigue and weakness. Neurological issues. Tingling and numbness in hands and feet, difficulty walking, memory loss, and cognitive decline. Digestive problems. Loss of appetite, weight loss, and constipation. Toxicity and overdose. No known toxicity from high intakes of vitamin B12 from food or supplements. Factors affecting vitamin B12 levels. Dietary intake. Insufficient intake, especially in vegetarians. Absorption issues. Conditions like pernicious anemia and certain medications can interfere with absorption. Older adults may have reduced absorption due to decreased stomach acid production. Calcium. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as muscle function, nerve signaling, and heart health. Sources of calcium. Food. Dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, dark leafy greens, kale, broccoli. Fortified foods, plant-based milk, orange juice, almonds. Sardines and salmon with bones. Deficiency and health implications. Osteoporosis. Increased risk of fractures due to decreased bone density. Rickets, in children, leading to bone deformities. Osteomalacia, in adults, causing bone pain and muscle weakness. Toxicity and overdose. Symptoms: hypercalcemia can cause kidney stones, cardiovascular issues, and impaired absorption of other minerals. Factors affecting calcium levels. Dietary intake. Insufficient intake of calcium-rich foods. Vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is necessary for calcium absorption. Age. Older adults may need more calcium to maintain bone health. Hormonal changes. Menopause can affect calcium metabolism in women. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is crucial for various body functions, including energy production, muscle function, nerve transmission, and bone health. Sources of magnesium: food, nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, legumes, black beans, lentils, avocado. Deficiency and health implications: muscle cramps, common symptom due to impaired muscle function. Fatigue. Low magnesium levels can lead to decreased energy production. Irregular heartbeat. Magnesium deficiency may cause abnormal heart rhythms. Osteoporosis. Inadequate magnesium intake can compromise bone health. Toxicity and overdose. Excess magnesium intake usually occurs from supplements and can cause diarrhea and abdominal discomfort. Factors affecting magnesium levels: dietary intake, low consumption of magnesium-rich foods. Gastrointestinal disorders. Conditions like Crohn's disease can impair magnesium absorption. Alcoholism. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to magnesium depletion. Medications. Certain medications may interfere with magnesium absorption or increase excretion. Vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is essential for vision, immune function, skin health, and cell growth and differentiation. Sources of vitamin A: food, liver, beef, fish, orange and yellow fruits and vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, squash, dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, dairy products, milk, cheese, eggs. Deficiency and health implications: night blindness, early symptom due to impaired vision in low light conditions. Xerophthalmia, dryness and damage to the eyes, leading to blindness if left untreated. Impaired immunity, increases susceptibility to infections, particularly respiratory infections. Skin changes, dry, rough skin and increased susceptibility to infections. Toxicity and overdose. Hypervitaminosis A. Excessive intake of preformed vitamin A from supplements can lead to symptoms such as nausea, dizziness, and even liver damage. Factors affecting vitamin A levels: dietary intake. Inadequate consumption of vitamin A-rich foods, particularly in low-income populations. Fat absorption. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, so conditions affecting fat absorption, pancreatic disorders, can lead to deficiency. Malabsorption disorders. Conditions like celiac disease and cystic fibrosis can impair vitamin A absorption. Infections. Certain infections, such as measles, can increase vitamin A requirements and exacerbate deficiency. Iodine deficiency. Iodine is a vital component of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Sources of iodine: food, seafood, fish, seaweed, iodized salt, dairy products, milk, yogurt, eggs. Deficiency and health implications: goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland as it attempts to produce more thyroid hormones. Hypothyroidism, reduced thyroid hormone production can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance. Cretinism, severe iodine deficiency during pregnancy can result in irreversible mental and physical retardation in the offspring. Toxicity and overdose. Excessive iodine intake from supplements can cause thyroid dysfunction, leading to hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. Factors affecting iodine levels: dietary intake. Insufficient consumption of iodine-rich foods, particularly in regions